There are two ways to manually add captions. Sequentially add captions one after another, and add captions between existing captions or in a specific timeline location. Note that the default duration for a caption is 4 seconds. This allows enough time for about 1.5 lines of text. If you want to add longer captions, change the duration of the captions before you begin by going to Tools, Options, and look under the Default Duration section. 7 seconds will typically be enough time for the maximum allowed 3 lines of text, but it's easy to adjust the duration on the timeline later if needed. Next, align the playhead on the timeline with the beginning of your audio, and click Add Caption. Press Enter on your keyboard and begin typing what you hear.
Today we're going to explore the website Google Maps. We'll look at how to search for a place of interest.
Playback will only occur for the section on the timeline where the caption is present. Continue pressing Enter to replay the audio until you get everything typed correctly.
Search for a place of interest.
If the caption is too long or too short, just grab one of the edges and resize the duration to match the audio. Using the audio waveform is a nice tip to help you align everything. To make another caption, press Tab on your keyboard and then Enter. A new caption is added on the timeline, and you can press Enter again to begin typing the text to match the audio you hear. Just continue through this process to manually add captions for your video. Now let's look at how to add a caption between two captions, or in a specific timeline location. First thing to note is that you can't add a caption on top of another, as you'll get this dialog message. So let's say you wanted to break this caption here into separate captions with less visible text in each. You'd need to drag and resize the duration of the caption on the timeline to make room to add another one. Then position the playhead in the new space and click Add Caption. You may need to reposition the caption on the timeline to make sure it's aligned with the audio. You could either type in the text to match the audio, or in this case, just cut the text from one and paste it in the other. To test the caption, double-click to select it and press Enter.
Zoom in for a bird's eye view.
Reposition and adjust the duration as needed to make sure everything is in sync. To learn more about working with captions, check out the other video tutorials or view the help file. Thanks.